It's Mahakumbh, and it's also the rise of those companies who are making it big entire India, and they have also made their makeshift setups around the Mahakumbh area. Domino's Pizza is the classic example of it. As you see, the Domino's Pizza have set up their makeshift center out here. They have got the shop inside as well. But to ensure that more and more public could attract to those pizzas, they are offering these pizzas and have placed a setup and a scanner right here so that public comes and can buy a pizza right from here, a type of a street food shop, and later move to some other place. And you can clearly see how the youngsters out here are quite interested in this particular thing. आप लोग पिज़्ज़ा यहाँ से ले रहे हैं
जी
कैसे स्ट्रीट फूड शॉप की तरह डोमिनोज सोचा था आपने किस तरह से पिज़्ज़ा लेंगे लाइन लगनी पड़ती थी
हाँ ये तो है अब सही है
खाएंगे पिज़्ज़ा एक बार
जी अपना सही
You can clearly see the pizza, the yummy Domino's pizza out here. As the people who have come here to visit Mahakumbh, I'll also speak to him as well. ये आपने बाहर सेटअप लगाया हुआ है, क्यों ऐसा?
एक्चुअली सर महाकुंभ को देखते हुए काफ़ी रश यहाँ पर हैं, जिससे कि आउटलेट में हमारे काफ़ी भीड़ हो रहे हैं, जिससे इस भीड़ को कस्टमर को दिक्कत ना हो, उनको वेट ना करना पड़े, इसीलिए जो मैं आगे स्टॉल लगा के मैं उसका डोमिनोज पिज़्ज़ा की प्रेजेंटेशन भी कर रहा हूँ।
रेडी है पिज़्ज़ा? रेडी है पिज़्ज़ा?
एकदम रेडी रहेगा सर।
कितने का दे रहे हैं?
100 रुपीज़ ओनली सर, स्टार्टिंग प्राइजेस।
कौन सा फ्लेवर है?
ये आपको गोल्डन कॉर्न मिलेगा सर हमारे यहाँ जी।
So you see golden corn flavor is you are getting out here in just 100 rupees. That's the portion from the outside. And that's the portion from the inside where a lot of leading shops, especially in food industry, are here. As you see in the visuals out here, that's Burger Singh, that's Coca-Cola. First, I'll ask my cameraman to move to the CCD. It is something which was not expected, never imagined that CCD could come here. The cafe, the famous cafe Coffee Day is out here. As you can see in the visuals, it's the Mahakumbh area, and the devotees who are taking the holy dip around this place can also taste a sip of coffee right here at the CCD. As you see, 1870, it was started in 1870, and the CCD has also started its makeshift shop here. यहाँ कितना दिन हो गया शॉप खोले हुए आपको?
अभी 2 या 3 दिन हुए हैं। 3 दिन
कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है?
अभी फ़िलहाल ठीक है सर।
ठीक आ रहा है। ये कब तक के लिए लगाए दुकान?
ये 45 डेज़ के लिए।
45 जब तक कुंभ रहेगा तब तक उसके बाद
उसके बाद क्लोज हो जाएंगे। यस
तो रिस्पॉन्स ठीक मिल रहा है?
हाँ फिलहाल तो अभी तो ठीक है।
So you can see the CCD workers, employees out here. They have also erected a shop. You can see the rate list out here. Filtered coffee 35, bottled tender coconut. The rates are also भी बहुत मैं हाई नहीं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर बहुत लिमिटेड रेट्स रखे
सब मेले की वजह से।
मेरे की वजह से रेट्स लिमिटेड रखे
जी जी
सबसे सस्ती कॉफी कितने की आती है
35।
हॉट कॉफी और कोल्ड कॉफी
कोल्ड कॉफ़ी वही 165।
You can see the rates are also, if you talk about CCD, the rates were never that low, and in terms of this particular Mela area, the rates have been quite less as we see in the visuals. Not just that, now you'll move to that particular portion where a lot of more eateries, famous eateries could be seen out here as you see in the visuals. It's the Thackson's Food for Everyone shop, big board of Coca-Cola out here. Not just that, if you move here, it's Burger Singh. You must have visited Burger King, and now I'll take you to the Burger Singh. This is the Burger Singh outlet. As you see in the visuals, they are also offering burgers in some reasonable rates out here. You can clearly see the crispy veg scanner, potato crunch, all of it right here. And here it's Hanuman Traders. So a lot of eateries are there around this particular portion. If you are here to visit Mahakumbh and want to eat some good food, especially of your favorite brands, then this is your must visit destination, and that's the Domino's, the inner portion of that particular. You can see gajar ka halwa, poha, chola, rasgulla, everything is out here. And now if you move to this particular portion, you see the Domino's, the main center of Domino's is out here. As you have visited many malls and have seen this particular center, as you see the customers out here are lot of boxes of Domino's placed right here. the working mechanism happening, the pizza making is happening. They have all got their cloths, their caps on, and they are also welcoming.
वेलकम टू डोमिनोज सर।
बिक्री हो रही है
यस सर, बहुत बढ़िया बिक्री।
कितना दिन हो गया लगे?
सर ये हम 8 तारीख से हमारा कंटिन्यू चल रहा है सर।
दिन भर में कितना बिक्री हो जाता है?
अच्छा भी बिक्री हो रहा है सर, मतलब अच्छा फुटफॉल है, अच्छा है, अच्छी डिमांड है, सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है।
डिसीजन कैसे लिया गया? आप लोगों के सीनियर्स ने किस तरह से डिसीजन लिया कि यहाँ लगाना है?
नहीं सर, ये अपना फूड कोर्ट है, अपना जो कहते हैं कि अपना जो कहते हैं कि प्रोग्राम हो रहा था, तो उससे प्लानिंग चली कि भाई इतनी पब्लिक आएगी, फुटफॉल इतना ज़्यादा रहेगा, तो हम मतलब अपने गेस्ट को जो है मतलब और अच्छी सर्विस दें, अच्छा प्रोडक्ट।
बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है इससे।
जी जी,
और ये सब सेटअप टेम्परेरी है, इसके बाद आप यहाँ से
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल टेम्परेरी।
see this is what the portion of food court says, and also recording our videos as well. As we see the Domino's, CCD, everything out here, the famous chai point, and they have all got the scanners for the payment purposes. So that's the boost in the part of business for trade with spiritualism along the banks of River Ganga, Ma Ganga. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.